So guys, after installing your operating system, so the windows.old folder is just found within the C drive. So open the library, this is the Explorer, click on computers, then local disk C, then scroll down up to the point where you'll see windows.old. So in my case, I had installed the operating system at that time. So the first operating system to be installed or to overwrite, so that will be windows.old. If we install another one, it will be windows.old.000. If again you overwrite another operating system, it will again be windows.old.001. So it just continues that way. So I open the windows.old.00 because this one here it's blank, so you open the .old.00. So this now windows.old. Then go to users. So under users, you have to access the user account. So in my case, I only had one user account. So maybe if you had several user accounts, the user account should be listed here. So you open the account here. This is the one for Paul. So you can come to the desktop. It's now empty. So you continue just scrolling down to all the files, then copy them and paste the other location. So guys, that's what you do with the current operating system that you've installed. You've installed on disk C. So in my case, I selected the other partition, which was the second partition. So I've not tampered with the other previous partition that had our operating system. So you now come to the previous operating system location, the local disk that was previously local disk C. So this disk here, so you open it, then go to users, then Paul and Peter. Paul Peter, that's the previous account that was here. So open it. At this point, you should now be able to access the files and then copy and paste them to the file location in the current operating system. So you copy the files from desktop to the desktop of this new operating system, then from downloads to download from my documents to documents, my music to music. So guys, this on the left hand side, this now the previous account, this now the files. As you can see here, we've opened this is the desktop, the files that were on the desktop. So to access the other location, the current operating system, so we have installed it in local disk C. So just open the local disk C, then scroll down up to users, depending the number of files that you're having. So here, users, then the account that you've created. So here, this is now the current operating system that you're using. So as you can see, the desktop is blank. So what you do, you copy the files that were in the desktop. So you open this other side, the desktop, you copy from the desktop to this new desktop, again from downloads to downloads. So you have to continue copying and pasting the files to the new file location, and please avoid the cut and paste process if you don't have a stable power supply, because if you cut and the power gets off, it will be hard for you to recover the files. So just copy and paste. If you must delete, then delete after you've finished copying to the new location. So be careful when handling the files and make sure that you copy the files to the right position, so the right file location where they are supposed to be, because that will lead to good arrangement of your work and not disarranging the work, and which may lead to data loss. So be careful when moving the files.